As I promised in last short video, I am disclosing the name of the few research teams worldwide working on the development of 3D printed organs. There are many research teams and organizations around the world that are working on the development of 3D printed organs. Here are a few examples. The Wake Forest Institute for Regenerative Medicine is a renowned research institute that has made significant progress in the field of 3D printed organs. They have successfully 3D printed a variety of tissues and organs, including blood vessels, heart tissue, and parts of the kidney. The University of Michigan has a dedicated 3D printing in medicine lab that is focused on developing 3D printed organs and tissues. They have had success in creating functional blood vessels and other structures using 3D printing technology. The Wyss Institute for Biologically Inspired Engineering at Harvard University is also actively involved in the development of 3D printed organs. They have developed a technique called organ-on-a-chip which uses 3D printing to create microscale models of organs for drug development and testing. The Laboratory for Biomedical Modeling at ETH Zurich is a research group that is using 3D printing technology to create functional human tissues and organs. They have made significant progress in the production of small blood vessels and other structures using bioprinting techniques. That's all for the day. Coming soon with next attractive video. Want to get more video like this? Then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.